When I am stressed, the last thing I want is my clothes to come and be adding to the stress. Piss me off. Don't be a ghost. Are you scared? You are a coward. Hey besties, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I have been up since around 5 a.m. because that's the normal time I get ready to go to church. I will usually attend the first service 6:30, get up by 5, prepare and then go to church before 6:30. You get me? But I'm a mom now. I've stopped going to first service, then I switched to second service, which starts 7:30 in the morning. Anyways, I am up now, guys. The weather is so cool. 2024 is gradually coming to an end. The way time just fly, it's amazing. By this time last year, I was still pregnant with my son. Anyways, guys, he's still sleeping. I want to just take this opportunity to arrange my bag for church. Harmattan is here. Moisturize your skin. I'm a big fan of Harmattan. I love it. I do not like sunny days and I also do not like rainy days. I just want it to be in between. Let the weather just be, everywhere silencing. Welcome to a new vlog.
Magnify your name, be thou exalted in Jesus' precious name.
Hi guys, good morning guys. It's the next day. I've not been at my best to be honest. Anyways, I'm going to give you guys the roaches when I get back. I am heading out now to the hospital. I have an appointment with the doctor. So yeah, I'm heading to the hospital. Why are you watching me without subscribing to my channel? Subscribe. Am I doing anything? No, now please subscribe. You guys, I just changed my outfit because when I am stressed, the last thing I want is my clothes to come and be adding to the stress. And that's what I was wearing. I was not just feeling it at all. My body was doing me anyhow, so I went to change into this t-shirt. Yeah, we are off. You guys, I have been contemplating. I want to relax my hair because, to be honest, I am tired. I am tired of having to take time out, detangle my hair before combing. This whole process of keeping a natural hair, I'm not sure it's for me. Oh. When I went to the hospital yesterday, I actually got relaxer. That's how contemplating I have been. I took out my old weave earlier today and I just, tied them separately so that it doesn't tangle again. You see, the struggle of keeping natural hair. Me having this natural hair right now wasn't something I intentionally wanted to do. I cut my hair before now and then I just decided to like just keep it. And I noticed that my hair has grew more than it was the previous time before I cut it. It grew faster. It's easier for your hair to grow faster when you've not relaxed it than when you've relaxed your hair. So I just okay, let me just leave it. When it grows, Papa, what is it? When it grows more to the length that I want it to be, I'm just going to relax it. To be honest with you guys, I am just going to relax it because I am tired. The washing process, keeping it hydrated, moisturized, and all of that stuff. This whole work is not for me. Anyways, I wanted to go with my hair today, but I could not at the end of the day, so we are home by just chilling, playtime. I just did a few cleanings around the house, folded laundry. This boy just wants people to know that he's here. Yes, that's the whole essence of all these things, because it was calm before I picked my camera and started filming something. Anyways, yes, I said let me give you an update, the kind of strong urge that I have to like just relax this air. Hey my loves, I am supposed to end this vlog soon, actually now, but I still let me quickly drop this year. When I joined YouTube, I joined YouTube without the intention of, coming to this street to come and look for trouble, or coming to this street for the purpose of saga. God forbid. It's not my personality in any way, shape, or form. Someone tried to throw me on the street of YouTube. It's so funny. You guys, I'm trying everything to fade away this particular sunblock that I have. Or what's it called? Sunburns that I have. If you guys know anything, please recommend for me. This one I got for someone who said it actually works. But it's not working. I've been using it for like 2 weeks now and it's not giving me the result I want. It's not fading, it's still there. So, anyways, back to the gist. Someone tried to throw me on the street of YouTube, and I would usually not talk because this is not the first time I'm getting nonsense questions or nonsense comments in my comment section. When I was pregnant, I got few unnecessary questions, but funny enough, some of my subscribers were the one helping me to like answer, give those people answer, because me, I will not answer you. I will just delete your comments, block you if I have to, if I want to, or I'll just leave you to continue to disgrace your family in my comment section, your lineage in my comment section. The main reason why I'm even responding to this particular one is that this is not the first time Ah, I did not put the person's YouTube name in my head, but I think hot something something. You know yourself if you're going to watch this video with another what's it called? Another account, because I already blocked your live out of my space. I wish I actually screenshot so that I'll actually post here. But yeah, this person has been dropping 8 comments on my YouTube channel. And the last one this person did pissed me off. Like, I was like, what's your problem? You know me from somewhere or something. If I thought you have something in your mind, come out clean. Let me know. Let me know you. Don't be a ghost. Are you scared? Come out clean. Let me know who you are actually. Because you're a coward. If you're not a coward, you will not be hiding under one kind account to be dropping nonsense. And if you notice, I've been deleting your comment. I've been deleting this person's comment because I don't want negativity on my channel. No, that is not why I'm here on YouTube at all. I don't want that negativity. These particular trolls, they usually forget that you have the power. I've got the power. I've got the power to block you, to delete your comments, and it's gonna look like you never commented or you never existed in any way. So stop wasting your time, my love. Stop wasting your time to comment nonsense using disgusting emojis. You're wasting your time. Just come out clean or forever remain silent. Forever remain a ghost for the rest of your life. You know, I've been hearing people say if you don't have a thick skin, you cannot be a social media personality, because if you don't go for them, they're going to come for you. It's just crazy. It's really crazy because if you like, come for me, I will not even send you. But you see, when you're going to the direction towards my family or you're going towards, people there to me, I'll come for your head, your full head. I will cut and come out. Just so say you not get level. If you get level, you know, come my comment section with fake accounts. It's obviously a fake account. Anyways, you guys, I just say let me drop my 2 cents. Yeah, this person actually think he or she has been trolling me. Sis, bro, wherever you are, you are not trolling shit. You're not trolling shit out of me. And I just see your comments, I just delete. I see your comment, I delete. If to say you use your real account, I will not contemplate whether I want to give you back times 2 or times 100 of the stupid energy you think you have. But I see you hiding. You are a ghost. I can't be responding to a ghost, so forget it. Anyways, guys, I just say let me gist you. They have actually come for me. They have come. They think they have come for me, but yeah, whatever. You just see people and you start hating on them because they are on YouTube. You're forgetting that they choose to show you whatever they want to show you, and they keep whatever they want to keep. You think you know their whole life and their whole existence because you're watching them on YouTube. Your story now ain't different. Thank you guys for watching this particular vlog. I will see you guys in my next video, and until then, stay well, guys.